Did you know cold weather can reduce your flexibility by up to 4%? But wait until you see this game-changing stretching hack. Meet Sarah, who discovered that combining mindful visualization with stretching transforms her morning routine. While most people struggle with tight muscles in cold weather, Sarah maintains incredible flexibility using a simple technique. As she performs each stretch, she actively visualizes her muscles lengthening and softening, creating a powerful mind-muscle connection that amplifies her results. Studies show this mental engagement increases stretching effectiveness by 25%, even in cold environments. The key is focusing on each muscle group for at least 30 seconds while imagining the fibers elongating like warm taffy. Sarah's method works because the brain-body connection helps override the natural tightening response to cold temperatures, allowing deeper, more effective stretches. Want to unlock your flexibility potential? Try this visualization technique during your next stretching session, and drop a below if you're ready to transform your stretching game.